All right, so here we have a way to demonstrate convection, which you normally wouldn't be able to see. But in this case, we have this container, which is half filled with cool water. It would be wonderful if it was ice cold. That might even work better. But this represents part of the atmosphere or the air. And then we're going to put 3 drops of food coloring. One in the middle, which will be red, because that's going to represent warm air, which we'll show you in a minute. And then we're going to put 2 sections of blue food coloring on either side, and that will represent cool air. When we move the hot water underneath the red food coloring, that will represent the uneven heating of the Earth's surface. And we will see what happens here as we add some hot water. And I will zoom in here. So again, the hot water represents the uneven heating of the Earth's surface, which should create some extra warmth in our atmosphere there. And we're going to watch this red food coloring closely. If all goes well, it should start to rise. And there we see, if you look at the bottom of the food coloring, we can see the food coloring start to rise, which means our water is warm enough. And so that's creating an area of low pressure as the hot air rises. And as it rises, we can already see that the blue food coloring, which represents the cold air, is moving in to replace the warm air that is rising. So it's moving into that area of low pressure. And that is a good representation of convection, which creates air movement or wind.